In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to place the smooth basalt infill into your Lumacast fire feature. We'll be demonstrating with the BOLA model, but this process applies to any fire feature with a standard burner area. Feel free to pause the video to verify your fire feature is on this list. If you choose smooth basalt as your infill, your order includes the necessary amount of bags for your unit size, rolled lava infill to create a base layer, and smooth basalt for the final look. And please, before handling the rock, take a moment to read and familiarize yourself with the product information printed on the bags. Begin by carefully pouring the rolled lava into the burner area, spreading it evenly on the burner pan to form a base layer. Use additional bags if needed, but ensure the burner remains visible. Once the burner pan is covered, arrange the smooth basalt stones over the rolled lava, spreading them evenly to conceal the base layer. Be sure the burner nozzles are exposed and free from obstruction, as this affects the performance of the warming trends burner. And this is important. Before operation of your fire feature, inspect all smooth basalt stones. Any stones showing visible veining or hairline cracks should be discarded and replaced, as they may contain traces of non-igneous stones and may pop when subjected to heat. Any surplus infill can be stored for future replacement. After confirming that no stones obstruct the burner nozzles, your Lumacast fire feature is ready for use. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out by phone during business hours or email us at any time. Thank you for watching.